Previously on.
But wait, where did we left off?
To think about it, I don't know.
So, we are just going to, continue like normal?
Might as well. The show must go on.
Hi guys, my last video on here was like 1 month ago, and that's because I didn't want to post. I was in a funk, I was in a rut, I was in a slum. This is not a video getting out of no slums because I truly don't want to get out, and that's probably like so anti-productive, but I don't care because I really don't want to get out. I want to stay in my emotions. But also another factor as to why I wasn't posting was that my tripod broke. This is my tripod. This shit, I don't know how it broke, but it did, and it stressed me out every day because some days when I got up, when I get up, and I feel like, oh, I want to record today, there's no tripod. One minor inconvenience is a big inconvenience for me. It is literally 12:55. See, 12:55. And before I go to my bed, I'm cleaning. Why? Because I can't sleep. I don't know why I can't sleep. And I was going to study, but my mind said, ooh, cleaning is more fun. So we're cleaning. I'm going to clean the entire house and then I come to my bed. I have stuff to do in the morning, but that's in the morning. I want to do this now. We're still in the kitchen. There's scrubbing it, moving it, and freshening it. We're going to go to the living room, then the bedroom, then the bathroom. That's one of the cons. Living like off campus, you have to clean things. On campus, the kitchen wasn't my priority. The bathroom wasn't my priority. I didn't have a living room. I only had half a room. So I want to have a room, complete room, bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. And I'm not complaining because trust me, this is a blessing. But chat, I'm not ready for adulthood. So I'm finished with the living room. Did you guys like that aerial view? Exclusive. I'm not going to go to the bedroom. There's so much to do. My phone is dying. So I'm going to try to record as much as possible. Even though there isn't much in there to do. I'm not going to change my sheet. I'm not going to change my sheet as is because I don't want to. So yeah. It is now 1:56. Basically 2 o'clock. Let's get this over with because I want to sleep now, but I'm started, so we have to finish. Where do you guys think is the front of the bag? Right here or right here? I use right here because this is the accent. I think it's at the button. I was like, ooh, cute accent, right? There's also a button right here, but there isn't anything right here. But this side is cute, but this side has this little pop right there. Let's get cleaning. That's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Well, actually, that's not a wrap because I have the bathroom to clean. Oh, my phone is dying. And I don't want it to like die. It turned off already. I'm put it to 11%, turn it back regard. It now go dead again. I'm gonna clean the bathroom. And then that's it. I'm not gonna show you guys my bathroom. My bathroom is my sacred place. And you guys won't see my bathroom. Yeah. But that's all you guys are gonna see of me cleaning for tonight. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I might have a bath after this. But then I'm gonna wake up shortly and bathe again. Do I want to have a bath after this? I feel very sweaty and dirty. I'm going to have a bath after this. Yeah, I'm going to. As a little treat for myself. But that's a wrap. You see, this is all because I refuse to go study.